Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2019 Thor A.C.E 33.1. Come on inside, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this brand new 33.1 Thor A.C.E, check out the size of the bedroom. You do have lots going on here. You've got a king-size bed. You've got plenty of storage space in here for every member of the family. You've also got USB charging center right here on the side. Now, the power supply on the side of the bed is actually strong enough to support a CPAP machine. That's a very important thing that Thor has put into most of their coaches in the last couple of years. You've also got 12-volt charging right there. You've also got plenty of dresser space here as well. And you've also got additional charging and additional power if you want to be charging a laptop, a tablet, something like that overnight. Also, the TV makes for in-home viewing or in-bedroom viewing rather nice. And of course, as you would expect, you've got a real wood door there rather than just a curtain. As we work our way forward a little bit more, you are of course going to have good pantry space. This does of course have slide out drawers as well, no worries. You are going to have your gas electric refrigerator freezer combination. While we're here, big thing to note, check out the size of the shower in this bathroom. As most of you know from watching my videos, I'm about 5'9", I weigh about 200 pounds, and as you can see, I'm all the way back against this wall, and there is no shortage of room for me to move around in here very freely. My hand's not touching the other side here. You do of course have great vanity space up here. You've also got good medicine cabinet space up above. No worries, lots to do in here. And from there, let's get into the kitchen. You are of course going to have storage up above and below. So nice smart thing that Thor did. Check out the size of that drawer. It's really good for small pots and pans, no worries. 3-burner gas cooktop, standard gas oven, and you've got a lot of wonderful workspace up here as well, plus a big deep basin sink. I can get my cast iron pans in here. I can get a stock pot in here for when I'm making pasta. No worries, got lots of good useful space. Big TV up front, got another huge TV over there, and this is something that's a little bit different for a Thor A.C.E. Most of the time you don't see theater style seating in these. So with that, no worries, you can get comfortable, you can kick back and relax and basically enjoy. You can entertain. The cup holders are in the right place. Just a real comfortable place to kick back and relax at the end of the day. You are of course going to have a sleeper sofa up front as well, and you are also going to have a bunk bed up top. This will actually drop down and you can sleep one up here. It's going to have a 250-pound capacity. When we get up into the cab, nice things to note. First of all, as with most Class A motorhomes, you are going to have automatic leveling. This is of course going to be on a Ford F53 chassis. From there, they've made a big upgrade to this display up front. You'll notice this is huge compared to years past, so you are going to have a lot more going on in here as well. Another nice thing is that they've created a nice little workstation up here as well for the passenger's cab. You do of course have ready power supplies here and here, and you've also got 110 power down here as well. So lots to do. This is a great floor plan. They've really outdone themselves with this one. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about the inside of this coach. Let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. Right, so on the outside of this brand new Thor A.C.E 33.1, there's some major things that need to be pointed out. In Thor A.C.E products in the past, you're probably used to seeing the first one being occupied by hydraulics, the second bay being occupied by batteries, and really not taking as great advantage of the outside space that you can really have on this. So with that, you've got a pass-through storage bay right here up front. You've also now got a massive pass-through storage bay here as well. So you can put surfboards in here, you can put one-piece fishing rods in there. There's a lot that you can do with this storage space that you haven't been able to do in models past with the Thor A.C.E. Also from there, another big storage space right up front, no worries. And as we start working our way around a little bit more, now we get a very easy access to the propane tank. And on top of that, Thor's gotten a little more creative. They've put a propane jack right there so you can attach a barbecue while you're out barbecuing with the family. From there, now you've got the bay with all the hydraulics and the batteries. Again, this is very easy access. You'll notice that you're not crawling around under a slide to access this at all because my slide's on the other side. From there, let's work our way around the back. You are, of course, going to have backup camera because we all know that safety is paramount. You are going to have an 8,000-pound tow hitch back here as well. As we work our way around to the other side, easy access for just about everything. You've got your park cable and your power cord right there. That's a 50-amp power cord. That means 2 AC units on the roof. From there, easy access for your wet bay. Everything in here is just duck soup simple. You got your Santa flush, you got easy access for your valve drains, and once again, note the position of the slide. You're not crawling underneath the slide to get at this. So if you need to adjust something while you're out, it's really, really very easy to do. That's a very big convenience. From there, here's the opposite side of that big pass-through storage that we were talking about on the other side of the coach. More pass-through storage, and again, a big storage bay right up here at the very front. And as you would expect, you do of course have side view cameras on this as well. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to discuss this brand new 2019 Thor A.C.E 33.1. As I'm sure you know, there's lots of those little small detail items that I didn't have time to cover, and believe me, I'd love to have a conversation with you so you and your family can make an informed decision. That said, please feel free to contact me using the 800 number below on the screen, or if you'd like, please feel free to call me direct on my cell phone. That number's 541-513-3171. Hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.